Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Milestech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up FX Tunnel VPN in all countries, all networks, all devices for a fast, secure, and stable internet access. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, and in case you get any problem, the comment section is going to be left open. So let me know what are you surfacing in the comment section. Then we shall get to know how we can solve it. Comment your device model, comment your network, comment your country. That is it. First and foremost, subscribe. Second, like the tutorial. Third, open Google Play Store. And in Google Play Store, we're going to search FX Tunnel. Search FX Tunnel. Then download this application on your device. After downloading, install, then open this application. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, and education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Now, allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this application, including the notification permission. And then after, we're going to press OK. Later, now, first step, we're going to come the top left corner where you see those many dashes. Check on them. Choose the first option, which is update. Then give it some few seconds, a maximum of 5 seconds to update the servers. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the tutorial, don't forget to share. Now, next step, we're going to come where you see auto select server. Then make sure that the application has updated. We're going to be seeing these 3 servers: auto select server, global UDP1, global UDP2. Don't set anything, leave in the auto select server, because auto select server is the one working right now. Now we're going to go on our last method, or on our last step, which is the most crucial step. So more attention is required right here, where you see all country UDP mode. Now try to scroll down, look for your country's network, but let me show you first this server. We're going to go and then type UDP. We're going to be required to connect to that server. Now we're going to press this button, this one right here, and then accept the connection request. It will connect. If it fails to connect again until it establishes a secure connection. Right now mine has connected. Now yours may fail. Reason: you haven't followed up the tutorial, you skipped the tutorial, so you missed important updates. Next reason: you didn't put airplane mode on and then off when you're connecting. Next reason: if you are in Uganda, you have not yet activated KYC. Inbox us, the numbers are in the bio. Next reason: you can try to restart your device. You can also try to restart the application and other stuffs here. The update, that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Milestech, and then I sign out. Let us meet in the next tutorials.